Today, we're going to try to fix that AFL malfunction, which I think I know the reason for that. It's that level sensor down on by the passenger or driver's side front wheel. And we are going to tint these front two windows because they are not tinted. Replace this windshield. And what else are we going to do? Maybe bleed the brakes. I don't know, just start fixing things up on this car. I need to order a new coolant tank to fix the coolant leak. Or it's not actually leaking. It is if it's above the seam, I think. Or maybe it's not even leaking. Maybe it's just my level sensor. But we're going to need to fix the coolant leak and do some other little things on it. I ordered some a new hood shock. I ordered some sway bar links for the front because they are horrible. And what else have I done? I don't know. I think that's all I've ordered really for it. I need to order that coolant tank. That's next on the list to get all these issues resolved. And then I also need the bottom. I need the wiring harness for the fog lights. I thought I had one, but I looked and I do not have one. So I need those so I can get my fog lights to work. And other than that, it's actually been great. I've been driving it. I put about 600 miles on it so far, and it's been issue free. So we're gonna get these windows tinted tonight, and that will help it. We're gonna put a new windshield in it with a nice sun strip across the top, and then we'll start fixing things on it. I think I need to bleed the front brakes because they kind of feel funny. So that shouldn't be bad. And then I'm not sure what else. We're just gonna keep working on this car, and I need to order some new bumper clips, and it's missing the foam absorber behind it, so that kind of helps it stay up too. So that's why it's partially not staying on. So get that fixed, and yeah, it's going pretty smooth. So I'm happy with it. It's been a great car so far. Okay, the windshield is now cut out. New one is sitting right there. Now let's get this thing in. Oh shoot, didn't work. Okay, so the windshield is out. Now, here is the new windshield. So we're gonna clean it up, get the tape off of it, and then we'll put a nice sun strip on it and put it in. So yeah, that should be pretty easy. So I was thinking about tinting the whole thing, but I don't know. This being my winter car, and sometimes if you do too dark, it's hard to see. But I think the sun strip looks nice, so let's straight across. So we'll do that, and we'll get started now. Okay, we have got the sun strip on now. Looks very nice. And I'll put the rain sensor back on it and get the windshield ready to be put back in the car. So, going smooth so far. By no means I'm a professional. Did I do everything a professional should? I don't know, but hey, it turned out clean, so I'm happy about that. And it matches good. I hate having no tint. Probably my biggest pet peeve is driving a car. So most of my cars actually have limo, but these ones are already tinted in the back. I'm not gonna pull it off. And it's kind of hard to sell with limo because certain states don't let you have it. Here, you're not supposed to have it, but hey, they're not going to do anything. You know, worst case, I've got pulled over a few times for it in my old car, but never in my SUV, and it's a limo, so. But yeah, actually turned out awesome. Next, I'm going to fix the, I need to order a level sensor. I diagnosed that, followed with, and need a new level sensor. And we'll do the diffuser, spoiler, coolant tank, and fix this sagging bumper. It's not that bad, but it needs a absorber pad and it needs some new side clips. But we'll start with the absorber pad and see how that goes. But yeah, the car's turning out great. Needs a nice wash. It's winter here. Like, it's supposed to be like 9 degrees tonight. So yeah, we'll see when I wash it. Hopefully, if it's nice this week, we'll wash it this week. But yeah, it actually turned out awesome. Tint really makes the car look nice. So yeah, please subscribe for more content. And yeah, I need to start doing some videos on the 97X. It needs a new water pump. Right now it's leaking. I just found out. I was driving it yesterday and I saw that's dripping some coolant out of it. So put a new water pump on that. Probably record it, I don't know yet. But yeah, I need to do a review on my 97X. It's the only vehicle of mine that hasn't been on the channel yet. And it's the one I drive every day. But this car has now replaced that, and this will be my new daily for a while. Unless it snows a lot, then I'll have to drive the 97X or the truck. But the truck's a lot of horsepower, and it's not very, I don't know. I've had some close calls in the snow before, or on slick roads. So 97X is awesome in the snow. So, and this one should be good. But the Turbo X is put away for the winter. So we'll be ordering some more stuff for it because I'm gonna get some nice interior upgrades and little things, you know. But it is put away for the winter. So I'll be driving this and doing a lot of videos on this car. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, subscribe for the next videos coming soon. So thanks for watching. See you later.